In this video, you will learn how to create a hyperlink to a cell in another sheet. I will use drag and drop technique to create this hyperlink. Hyperlink is very useful when you want to jump to the specific part of a sheet without getting distracted. Okay, now you can see this text J3 of sheet 2. So I want to create hyperlink here for this cell J3. Okay, to do that, simply hover your mouse to the border of the cell. Now hold the right mouse button and come here. Now hold Alt key to go to the another sheet. Now release Alt key and now bring it here and just leave right mouse button. Click on create hyperlink here. Now the hyperlink has been created. Just click on it to go here. Isn't it easy? And this trick is very helpful when you are handling large amount of data and you want to jump to the another sheet often.